Hi friends, welcome to App for Menu. Today we are going to make cheesy corn nuggets, which is a very yummy party starter. Let's get started and check out the recipe. In a mixer jar, add 2 cups sweet corn and grind it to a coarse paste. Transfer the ground corn to a bowl. Add salt as required, 1 spoon chilli powder, half spoon turmeric powder, 1 cup finely chopped onions, 1 spoon ginger garlic paste, 1 spoon green chilli, and mix everything well until all ingredients combine together. Add in half cup all-purpose flour little by little and mix well. Add in few coriander leaves and give it a nice mix. Grease your hands with some oil and roll the prepared nuggets mixture like this. Gently make a cut in between and stuff some cheese and cover and roll it again. Prepare all the nuggets in the similar way. In a pan, add the prepared nuggets and fry it in low flame. See, the corn nuggets are fried golden to a perfect texture. Remove it from the oil and serve it hot with some tomato sauce to its side. Do try this cheesy snack recipe and enjoy with your friends and family. If you like the recipe, give it a thumbs up. Thank you.